Box cover, welcome back to the Dutchy Berry social media countdown. I'm so sorry that I've been gone for a couple weeks, about 3 weeks now. But as you know, they kind of get robbed and I lose my equipment and them look at something there. But everything is back to where it started and I'm so happy for all of the support and all the messages when we get, alright? So let's get right into it. Number 10, the sampling continues. Box cover, so from what year it look like, say if a song don't have a little Jamaican feature or sample in it, then it just not shot. Like blah blah blah. From Tinashe.
Just give me the trees and we can smoke it, yeah.
Just give me the G's and we be clubbing, yeah.
To Tiger. And then now you have Fifth Harmony with their single Flex.
Time to impress.
Flex, time to have sex.
And not to mention Tory Lanez with the hit single Love.
Everyone falls in love. So everyone falls in love sometimes.
Number 9, Tami Chynn, Baby. Number 2. Celebrate good times, come on, woo! Congratulations to Meet a Good on the birth of your second child. Baby number 2, name Atlas Levy Mitchell. You don't name your fitness, so?
No, sir.
At last.
Tami Chynn, I honestly wish you and Wayne Marshall all the best, but I honestly really want to know if this is the last one or you think say you're going to whap it back really.
Over and over again.
Okay, good. Because I know you make good pitney and Wayne Marshall I want to hear you say.
Frozen, I'm frozen, I'm frozen, I'm frozen.
Number 8, Usain Bolt, Fever. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. What is the Olympic Games without Usain St. Leo Bolt?
Nothing.
They met the brother a hula hoop. I run for tourist board ad. And I'll make a short cartoon movie. Number 7, Wig No More. Dancer Renee 6:30, they want dance a bit of vibes one day and I enjoy ourselves. When she Arga decides to run up another video light and take the mickle. Yeah, Renee. Go there, Renee. Then box cover. At some point, this Arga happen. My God. Poor Goldilocks. She got boom flick and the wig jump off on a Tom Cruise. Renee, it's like come here, you have a friend in my head. Next time you go down and dance, use ponal and like a crazy glue and nail down the hair on your scalp, alright?
But the truth remains you're gone. You're gone. Baby, you're gone.
Number 6, Sumfest 2016. Manala Sumfest 2016 from where me this see, look like it did shell. Without a further, here are my favorite Sumfest moments. Spice! The Tanto drop. I swear they need a stoplight on the stage anytime I perform. Savage and this Kulu affair. Oh, and how could I forget Charlie Black and him Vice for take vacation leave when him dip on the stage? Confident, knockers, ya girl. Number 5, Jamaican food sharing 101. Me bula bread food. Leave it to Jamaican people for ugly enough to create beg food guidelines. Recently the post with the guidelines went viral and today I have here in studio the brother who created the post.
Excellent. So tell me, what kind of meds are they under when you come up with the Facebook post here?
I don't know at all, Lottie Berry, but it was definitely not a steady mate.
Yeah.
So it started with me feeling hungry. I'm hungry one day till
naturally.
I'm deaf in 1 year. So I decided to go up the road to buy a box food, right? I mean, I say, if I one thing about Jamaicans, you cannot buy a box food and then you come back down and think, so you alone are going to eat it.
Yeah. So same thing, you just cut from the conversation and say you go put pen to paper and write them down.
Yeah, man, said it natural. Yeah, as a matter of fact, not even pen to paper, from keyboard to
from keyboard, oh.
Because it's a natural thing, man.
We now present to you Jamaican food sharing 101.
As a Jamaican, if me I give some of my food, not take the fork and mix around the rice. I don't cement to your name.
True that.
Not dig for the rice down at the bottom, or the same rice up at the top. Then I go like the top one a flour and the bottom one shelly.
You see it?
No shake off, no chicken or no meat. Anything depend on the chicken, go on with it.
Exactly.
Don't bright yourself and put no bone in my box cover. Dirty Berry always talk about box cover, now I understand what you mean.
Bright.
Not talk to nobody while you eat my food. Cause I'm ready back feet before me even give you. You even talk about putting your hands in my food. Hands is a no-no. Now tell me for left none. Is either you name it or you leave it alone. Because you're not talk about me eat first, then you eat later. It's not a relay. No look for no rice with no gravy. Eat where you sit. Now ask if I want the vegetable. Because if I never want it, I would have asked the lady to keep it in her shop. No come for no juice. You don't get the food already, I don't never want to give you. I don't want your spirit pan my fork or your spirit in my buckle. If you want something to drink, choose water. Go in the fridge for that.
Here, here.
All
That's
right.
it.
That is it.
That is it. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Excellent, excellent speech, Mr. Speaker.
Number 4, the trainer is back.
Strength, no weakness.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. The youth here, he might go places. I don't really know where, but I know he might go somewhere. So he released this video online last week and motivated the entire world.
You work hard for it, or you don't work hard for it. Well, me and my brother, we work hard for our stuff.
Yeah.
Take over everything. Strength, no weakness.
Yeah.
Don't put yourself down.
Oh no, no, no.
Motivate yourself. Keep yourself up, pumped.
Way up, stay up. Number 3, the police versus woman. Box cover, so the video here, the particular video here, took over social media by storm because it did feature one woman who seemed like she in a wrestling match with 2 police officers. It is alleged that the police officer did go tell the lady that she need to go and her mother. Oh no, 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 no. I'll draw the woman ear. But now I really put all of the blame on the police because the woman, in all fairness, she was arresting. She was resisting arrest. The situation here is just sad.
Number 2, Sean Paul gets another number 1 hit. Cheap Thrills.
What? Sean Paul get another number 1 single. What? The man see us kind of Cheap Thrills reach number 1 on the Billboard charts.
What?
And them already have whole heap of number 1 such as Get Busy,
Ah.
Temperature, Baby Boy.
Kick out.
Well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be keeping you. We be burning, not concerning. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. Me and you, girl, you and me. Drop it.
And them song they sell off like tin food in a hurricane season. And now check out the random video of the week. And number 1 goes to Tavi and the Goat. Whoa, yeah! Lord, take the case and give me the pillow. And every single sponge right night. So vlogger King Tavi created quite a stir online when he posted this video, basically a spoof of an American cable show called My Strange Addiction. In this video, he's pretending to be a young man who at some point feels him need for a transition and become a goat.
Hi, my name is Tavan Hamilton, and I like being a goat. When I was small, I knew I had the potential to be a goat. My mother always was the person to tell me that I'm a talented youth. And I knew that being a goat was my talent.
Okay, same one for be a goat. Fair enough. Go on.
Nobody wanted to be friends with that guy that everything him seemed buck. But now, I switch over to the goat life. I've developed a way of becoming popular and having a lot of friends. But big up yourself, Rami. Yeah, my nigga.
From him look like my eat grass, you know. A madman but a good goat.
But you see, at this particular point is when people start to get uncomfortable.
Let me introduce you guys to my girlfriend. This is my baby mother, Stacy. Stacy, say hi to the camera, baby. She kinda camera shy, you know.
And I can bet you say this particular closed caption dialogue between Taffy and the goat never to help with that. Because it was supposed to be a female goat, but it was actually a buck. Yes, we call a male goat a buck. And then right towards the end of the video, the scene never happened.
Stacy and I are one of those couples who are not afraid to have sex in the public.
Tavi literally give the goat a knockers.
Come for the knockers, a gal.
Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media countdown. Thank you so much for the support. Make sure that you follow me on my social media. It is Dirty Berry Show at Instagram, Dirty Berry Show on Snapchat, dirtybberryshow@gmail.com if you want to email me or book me for anything. And if you want to just check out all that I've been doing, it is Dirty Berry Show on Facebook. Alright, so take care until next week. Peace out.